On the hoist today, we've got a customer's TLC 300 series with our brand new Outback Armour 3800kg GVM Upgrade. I'm going to run you through the kit. So up the front, they've opted for our DSV range of struts paired with our trail coil. So they're running no bull bar, no winch up the front. We also offer it in Expedition and Expedition HD, dependent on how much weight you're carrying, but your fitter can obviously help you out with that. So this customer has opted for our DSV range of shock absorbers and struts, but this is also available in our GVM specific adjustable range, which gives you the ability to fine tune your ride. The optional extras include our Outback Armour up control arms and our Outback Armour heavy duty front sway bar with our bonded rubber bushings. Another optional upgrade is also our front jounce stop. So that's the front kit. Now let me take you to the back of the vehicle and I'll run you through the rear kit. As I said at the front of the car, this customer opted for our DSV range all around. You can upgrade the rear shock to our adjustable coilover if you want to obviously run a heavier load. The standard kit also comes with one of our Outback Armour coil springs, Airbag Man airbag kit, Outback Armour heavy duty rear sway bar, our poly bushes and our extended link pins. Our GVM upgrade kit also comes with a left and right hand coil perch reinforcement. So that's the standard components that come in the kit. So similar to the front, how we upgraded to the up control arms, in the rear you can upgrade to our Outback Armour jounce stop and also our adjustable power nut rod. So to remain compliant, we also opted for auxiliary reverse lights, which come in a nice powder coated black bracket with a cheeky little Outback Armour GVM insignia. And then up the front, we've also run our category 6 indicators, which are also installed at the same time. It's been a lot of time and effort, but we're proud of what we finished up with, and I hope to see them out there.